What is your name?
No, what is this? Police investigation?
Why are you here?
For you to cut my hair.
Are you excited?
I'm nervous.
You are nervous.
What's the worst that could happen?
For the record, I take no responsibility for what's about to happen. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I was recruited to cut this mop off the head. I didn't sign up for this. I was forced against my will. And like I said, I take no responsibility for how this is going to turn out. I don't cut hair. I've never cut hair before. So if you want to see how this turns out, definitely stick around. And of course, if it's your first time here, please hit that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. Give this video a thumbs up. It helps me a lot. And without further delay, let's jump into the shenanigans. Let's start with the this is the lowest one?
No, this one is actually lower.
So this, so you want to start this second lowest?
Yeah.
Trust me, huh?
You got it now? Get it for me.
Yeah.
You got it?
Mm.
So
when you turn this on?
So let's show you how much power you have left.
Where power? Oh.
So,
How does the barber normally do? Let me start from this side.
Normally at the start at the top. So then like you go so the direction of the hair.
And then you want me line you up after?
We'll see how that goes. There you go. And then if you reach any part that kind of hard, you can use a comb.
So like when this side didn't come down, so
You come down.
required. Come down.
Yeah, it's hard for me to tell.
It's looking about the same.
No lower?
Yeah, it looks lower.
Yeah, so you're going to do that to get everything on like nice and even. If you want to lower, you can use the next one. So anyway, if you like it, that here being hard to work with, it's okay.
This ain't so bad.
Man, that's a lot of hair.
Child's play.
And if this goes well, got me a new barber.
No. I'll do me no work for free. You gonna have to pay me. Corona time no.
I will pay you in hugs and kisses.
Keep that. I get hugs and kisses for free. First layer is done. You want to go lower than this?
I'm sure I can't remember if it's...
There's a mirror here, there.
It's still kind of hot.
So he wants to go lower.
No, you're supposed to come this one direction.
Fine. No, you look like Mikey.
So
Before you look like a beast. No, we're back in Mikey territory. And you know how I feel about Mikey. And going lower. That's all. Wait. Let's start now.
It's not me, but I just need to do one.
Much later.
up close and personal. How my skills? Look at it, look at it. I go wear hats, bend over. Alright, so maybe I saw one look at help. And see. Yeah, that side I want a little help. So let's fix that side.
Do you want me to turn and face you?
And you couldn't wait 3 more weeks for you to that open barber shop yet, could you?
No.
Was that bad?
Could you have waited 3 more weeks?
Yes. What urged you, motivated you?
Enough is enough.
Ever so much?
It's too hot now.
It's too hot now.
Yeah.
Alright, this is...
Alright. So everything looks like somewhat uniform.
Somewhat.
Somewhat? Alright. So you know what one field look like?
No.
Just know you.
Which way did Baba fade?
Sometimes he goes so.
So he fades down.
Yeah.
So he does so.
Yeah.
You're sure?
I'm sure.
And not so.
Ow.
So fade down.
Stop. Alright, start up. Start going up.
I take no responsibility. Then I have like a low.
You look short on this, right?
Yes.
Yeah. And then when you blend in, you know, it come from the top.
That's powerful.
Just imagine a line going around my head and you're going to go up to meet that line.
Look, it's like fine now, right?
That's alright.
That's alright. That's alright.
Yeah. I know what I saw.
Like drunk or dry breaks in your head, that's alright.
Buckle step up.
Nice and faded.
So how do you think you're doing?
Look at your fade.
Let's see what you got here. Alright, we can kind of start to see it.
Fade update number 2. How's that looking, guys? Turn the other way. Bend forward. You guys, you tell me.
This is how I'm looking now, man. This is how you want to see me. No, but look, that don't look bad. So I look like somebody again.
You look like somebody.
How did she do?
So how did I do, guys? I mean, could be worse.
Yeah, I think you did alright. I think I'll use your services more often.
No, go back to your barber.
No, you just put him out of work.
I just did not do that. Is it turn on? Alright, slow motion rotate.
To left or right?
Whichever. Don't line up at the back. I try my best. There you have it, guys. Home style haircut.
Yeah.
Let me know in the comments. Quarantine haircut. Let me know in the comments what you think. Would you use me for such services in these times? Let me know. Alright guys, later.